Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can turn off notifications of Hunting Sniper application. Keep watching the video till the end. To turn off notifications of Hunting Sniper, firstly go ahead and launch open your settings application. Scroll down and tap on App Management. On the next page, click on App List option. From the app list, search for Hunting Sniper and tap on it. Now all you need to do is click on Manage Notifications. To turn off your notifications, slide the slider of Allow Notification to the left side to turn it off. This is how you can turn off notifications on Hunting Sniper quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.